In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion using embedded drawing tools. Even though Notion doesn't have a built-in drawing feature, you can still sketch diagrams, mind maps, and quick visuals right inside your pages by embedding an online whiteboard. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your drawing area to appear. Click into an empty line, just like you would when adding text. Now, type the / key followed by the word embed as one word. As you type, Notion will show you a list of block options that match what you're entering. When you see the embed block appear in that list, that's the one we're going to use. Next, click on the embed option from the list. This will open a small window or field where Notion asks you to paste a link. For now, just leave that window open, or remember you'll come back to it in a moment. This embed block is what will display your drawing tool directly inside Notion. Now switch over to your web browser and go to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type something like online whiteboard or online drawing board. You'll see several tools that let you draw in your browser, such as simple sketchboards or more advanced collaborative whiteboards. Choose one that feels right for your needs and that works without complicated setup. Once you've chosen your online board, open it and look for the shareable link or the URL in the address bar. What you need is the link that lets you access that drawing space. Highlight the link and copy it to your clipboard. This is the link that Notion will use to show the board inside your page. Head back to Notion and return to the embed block you created earlier. Click into the field that asks for a link, then paste the link to your online whiteboard. After pasting, confirm by pressing the embed button or hitting enter. Notion will now load that online board directly inside your page. You can usually resize the embedded frame by dragging its corners or edges so you have more room to draw. From here, you can start sketching, brainstorming, or diagramming on the embedded board while keeping everything neatly organized in your Notion workspace.